The city of Bern, located in Switzerland, is a charming place offering a unique combination of history, culture, and natural beauty. Known for its stunning scenery and well-preserved medieval architecture, Bern attracts tourists from around the world. Visiting Bern, you will be able to see the charming old town, which has been inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Medieval city architecture, narrow cobbled streets, and stunning fountains create a fascinating atmosphere that takes you back in time. For nature lovers, Bern offers plenty of outdoor activities. You can take a leisurely stroll along the River Aare or climb Mount Gurten to enjoy a panoramic view of the city and the surrounding area. In addition to natural beauty, Bern boasts well-maintained parks and gardens where visitors can relax. As for the tourist infrastructure, Bern has excellent transport links and an efficient public transport system that allows easy exploration of the city. Bern also offers a wide range of accommodation options for different budgets and preferences. In general, whether you are interested in history, culture, or simply want to immerse yourself in the breathtaking scenery that Switzerland has to offer, a visit to the city of Bern promises an unforgettable journey filled with beauty and charm.